Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we'll be making fried plantains and egg. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process, we'll be needing some fresh eggs, chopped baby leeks, diced onions, diced tomatoes, and stock. In a bowl, I'll be breaking my eggs. I'll be adding in my baby leeks, onions, tomatoes, and stock. I'll give this a good mix. I'll set this aside and start preparing. Frying pan, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll make sure this is evenly spread in the pan, and I'll be coming in with my eggs. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this breakfast, guys. I'll be accompanying this with some ginger tea. Please check out the link above in the video to see how I accomplished this perfect homemade ginger tea. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.